So no matter what Photoshop level you currently are, there's always going to be a period of time when you want to save a file numerous times. For example, I have this thumbnail template here, and every time I go to File and Save a Copy, because I want to save it as a JPEG, what happens is Photoshop always adds the word copy to the end of my file name because it wants to prevent us overwriting our original file. But obviously sometimes it's much easier to actually get rid of the copy so we can save our file nice and quickly. So in this video, what we're going to do is find out how we can tell Photoshop not to include this at the end of our file name. Great, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, what we basically do is cover Adobe Photoshop tutorials as well as other Adobe Creative Cloud software. So do check out the rest of the channel if you're interested in learning more tutorials. As you can see, what I've currently got open in Photoshop is my thumbnail template, the template that I always use when I'm creating thumbnails for these videos for YouTube. So as you can see, this is a thumbnail for the most recent video, which was how you can get emojis in Adobe Photoshop. But obviously, let's fix the issue at hand first. So what we have is when we go to File and Save a Copy, obviously Save a Copy was a new feature that was introduced in Adobe Photoshop 2021. And basically from this edition 4th, you no longer use Save As to save images or PDFs. You now always have to use Save a Copy. So when you use the Save a Copy function, basically what happens is Photoshop obviously brings up the normal Save As box, but instead of just using the title name that's included in the document at the moment, basically what it always does is add the copy at the end of it. And this is basically to ensure that you know you're creating a new file and you're not going to be overwriting the current file that you have. So in a way, this is a very good safety mark because this means we never lose any work by accidentally saving over our original files. But sometimes, as I said in the intro, if you're trying to save this file many times because you're making small alterations and you want to keep saving new images, then it can be slightly annoying to always have to delete the copy. So in order to tell Photoshop not to do this, basically if we quickly cancel this and go to Photoshop at the top left-hand corner, Preferences, and then go down to File Handling. And then from here, what we can basically do is tell Photoshop not to use the word copy in the file name. So this option that says, do not append copy to file name when saving a copy. So if you just tick that, as you can see, it will come up with a warning message. And this is Photoshop basically warning you that if you do go ahead with this, obviously by removing the word copy, it can't guarantee that you won't accidentally overwrite your original file. So all you have to do is press OK if you're happy with that. And now if we press OK and go to File, Save a Copy, as you can see, it's now removed the copy. So this is much easier if, for example, we just want to title this 1 because we're using this version 1. And then in the next time, we can just add 2 without having to first delete the copy that keeps appearing every time we try to save our file. So that was a very quick video, but that essentially is how you can get rid of that word copy and make your life much easier when you're trying to save multiple files in Photoshop. If you're interested in learning how you can actually save multi-page PDFs in Adobe Photoshop, then do check out the video in the top right-hand corner of the end screen. And also do remember to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content, and also do remember to subscribe to the channel to make sure you never miss a new Photoshop tutorial.